Hey folks, time for a weather workshop. I'm meteorologist James Gilbert. This is going to be more of a chemistry workshop, as we're going to do just a classic experiment that I'm hoping you have done as a kid, and maybe you can do it with your kids as well. Fun experiment with, of course, vinegar and baking soda. You've probably done it before, you may have seen it before, but those are the two basic ingredients. You've got the baking soda. I've got some vinegar I brought from home in this shaker bottle here, just white vinegar. Real cheap stuff, and I'm at the News8 Studios. It's a little breezy out here, so I'm gonna have to really make sure nothing blows away, but you don't need too many things. Of course, I've got those two items. I've got just a cloth, a napkin or whatever, and then a plastic bag here. Sure, this isn't great for the environment, but it's in the name of science, right? Okay, so everything's windy, so I've got it kind of tied down beneath me here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my bag and I'm going to add about half a cup of vinegar or so. This is just a regular small sandwich bag. Let's pour this in there. Let's see here, a little bit more. There we go, that's probably plenty. So of course, vinegar is an acid, and baking soda is a base. We're going to get a reaction from these two things. All right, now I'm going to seal this up, seal the bag up, make sure it's nice and airtight there. And now we're going to get our baking soda ready to go. So I've got this here, and I'm going to take the baking soda, and I'm going to pour it into this very thin, almost Kleenex. It's kind of basically a paper towel that was a 2-ply, and I made it down to a 1-ply. So I'm cupping it in my hand, pouring a big pile in there. Good idea to do this outside because it can be messy. All right, so here's our base. What we're going to do is we're going to wrap this up, and then I'm going to drop it in the bag of vinegar and then watch the reaction. So I'm going to just kind of lightly tie this together like so, twist it up like that, and then I'm going to drop it in. All right, so let's get a little bit of room here because this is the fun part. Now with this reaction, ideally, what happens is all the chemicals and elements mix together within it, and then carbon dioxide gets released, and since it's a sealed container, the carbon dioxide creates kind of an explosion. Hopefully it doesn't get on my tie. All right, sealing it up. Now you can kind of shake it around a little bit. Oh! Hey, there you go. Not too bad. Kind of fun. All right, try this at home. And sometimes you might get a good reaction out of some of the sides, so you can get another one. It's getting bigger. Look at that. Pops open like that. I've seen some really good ones where it completely shears the bag off. But kind of a fun experiment. There's other ways you can do it with either a bottle cap or used to use little film canisters. You can get those to pop off. Of course, be careful, as this can be create projectiles basically. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. There's a little bit of better description, more scientific description below on how this exactly works. So thanks for watching.